Are you still in my chair? I got this cool chair that I can take in and out. It's a floor chair because it's getting a little older and now sitting on the floor starts to hurt, so. It's dinner time. Hi. Hi, Bunny. Hi, beautiful. Look at those eyes. They're starting to change. I don't want them to change. That means she's getting older. She's got this little white little part on her chin. Little buddy. These two are eating dinner. You're missing dinner. You're missing dinner. Sometimes I give them different plates and sometimes I put them all on one because I feel like they encourage each other to eat. Sometimes they push each other away, so I have to watch and see which it is. These guys getting big. Get big babies. They finish their dinner and they always come crawl on my lap. Is that good? Gonna join us? You're so cute. Hey. Come join us. Winnie doesn't always come over. She's a little more on the shy side. That's so cute. Who told you you were allowed to grow up so fast and have changing color eyes? Hmm? Gonna get her? You gonna get her? Their eyes are changing.